Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's me, MD Franto. Nowadays, I would like to talk about in this video with you. Is grammar important to learn spoken English? As far as it goes, I would like to discuss with you. So let's get started. To be honest, if you want to learn spoken English, you need several types of grammar. If you want to become a pro level speaker, that times you will have to use the grammars. But if you want to just begin your this spoken English journey, you don't need to learn lots of grammatical structure rules, and you don't need to memorize that, because to begin spoken English you need at first speak. Because when you were a child, how did you learn in Bangla language? Can you say? When we were a child, we listen from our parents. We listened from our relative person, cousin, uncle, aunt, and our blessed people. After that, we tried to speak in Bangla. Then we have been able to speak in Bangla. So, if you want to learn spoken English, is grammar are not so crucial. Because how many grammars do you know as a native English speaker? They don't know. Such as, I am a student, I have completed my inter, but I still don't have any idea about Bangla language grammars. Although I, you, and Bangla all people still can speak in Bangla. So what is the mean? It's mean to learn spoken English, you need to repeat, because repetition is the mother of all skills. Not only just learn a language, but also all language. For this reason, you don't need to focus on the grammar. If you focus on your everyday activity, like what are you doing now, try to discuss about that in English. And another very important thing is, never ever think in Bangla. Don't try to translate Bangla to English. Because when I started this journey, I think and I translated Bangla to English. For this reason, I couldn't improve myself properly. And my teacher said me, never ever think and never ever translate Bangla to English. Because if you think and if you translate Bangla to English, you won't be able to become a fluent English speaker. For this reason, no need to learn a lots of grammar if you want to begin your journey. But if you want to become a fluent English speaker, like a pro level, you will have to learn several types of grammars. But you will have to improve that very little by little every day. Because in my country, 99% students can English grammars, but they can't speak. Even every day we can watch many types of English videos, though live in a countryside area. Those people still practice in English. They don't know several types of grammars, but those learners better than me, you. How it is happen? It happen when You only focus on your speak. When you think English is a language. If I want to learn language, I don't need to think. I will have to learn several types. I will have to learn several types of grammars. So I think you can understand is grammar not so important if you want to begin your journey. See you again next video. Mercy.